In this video you will learn how to break Windows 10 or Windows 11 administrator password without any third-party software. Only you have the bootable pen drive having Windows 10 bootable ISO on it. Don't escape here, I will guide you step by step. Step 1. Insert bootable pen drive to your computer, then restart computer and press F8. Step 1. Click Restore My Computer. Then click Troubleshoot, then click System Image Recovery. Click Windows 10. Cancel this Re-image your computer option. Click Next, then install a driver. Now the Windows dialog box open. Now go to Windows Drive, where Windows 10 installed, and navigate the System32 folder. This is very important. You have to find Utility Manager and CMD in this section. Now rename this Utility Manager file using your keyboard key F2. Rename to Utilman12. Now search CMD and rename it as Utility Manager, Utilman. Then close this dialog box and continue to Windows 10. Click Exit and continue to Windows 10. After restarting the computer, now press the lower right corner button Ease of Access. Now type the control user passwords 2. Remember there is no space between user passwords 2, then hit Enter. Now you will see the window which shows the current user of Windows. Now click on Desired User, then click on Reset Passwords. Now type any new password which you want. Here I type my new password, which is 1234. Confirm passwords also same as above. Now press OK and close Command Prompt window. Then go to Sign In Options. Note this will work on passwords, so that is why we are changing the sign in options from PIN to passwords. Type password 1234 and press Enter. Here we go, Windows login successfully. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for upcoming tips and tutorials. Thank you.